I'm Nikki Crow, and we have been a Carfix customer for about a year and a half now, and very happy that we are. One of the reasons that we've chosen, and I think that's a key word, chosen, to go to Carfix, is because we love the peace of mind that they give us. They're one of the only shops that we've ever been to where we know that, specifically as a woman, I know I'm not being taken advantage of. I know that the answer they give me is the same answer they're going to give my husband. I know the answer that they give my teenage son is the same answer they're going to give us. There's no playing, there's no sense of feeling that we're getting screwed over or duped. They're just very straightforward, and they treat us like family, which we definitely appreciate. I would definitely recommend Carfix because they will make sure that you are taken care of. And by you, I mean not just your vehicles, but they're going to make sure that you are understanding the process. And let's be honest, that's a mental part of the conversation. And if we're not taken care of mentally, then we're always guessing like, hey, did they do this? Did I get screwed over? Am I being taken care of? So the fact that they know how to take care of both sides, the physical and the mental, it's really appreciated.